Torrential slide cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. In spite of mainstream thinking, we here most certainly will explicitly give you the 10 years nitty-gritty cost expectations for torrential slide. The torrential slide really has in short order in a real sense acquired pretty extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers explicitly are interested in looking through the inquiries like truly is torrential slide a for the most part wise venture? Is Avax worth purchasing in 2023? What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030 in a significant way? How high can torrential slide go? Our aid will sort of provide you with a thought of the torrential slide expected development and its cost expectation, all from sort of profound specialized investigation to major fundamentally past cost graphs. Torrential slide past value examination, which all things considered, is very huge. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of torrential slide is $17.59 and Avax is as of now positioned number 16 in the especially whole crypto market, which is genuinely huge. The core supply of Avax most certainly is 325,609,824 with a market cap of $5,728,186,196 in every way that really matters. Most recent 24 hours in an especially significant manner, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The torrential slide's cost sort of has shown a decent increment of 5.08% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the torrential slide really was in every practical sense great vertical pattern and expanded by 22.56%. Avax basically has shown areas of strength for extremely potential, and this could be especially great chance to truly dive right in and certainly contribute. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of Avax sort of has been somewhere around CHNAGE%, dispensing with an incredible truly normal cost of $2.06 from its kind of current cost. Or so they truly thought. This unexpected, truly descending development implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, and it can basically be a great most certainly purchase a potential open door for truly speedy interest in a by and large significant manner. The 90 days cost change basically is around 32.19%, and the cost generally coursed from a base typical worth of $11.15 to in every way that really matters. Greatest all things considered. Normal worth of $12.10 in the specific beyond 90 days. In truly most recent 4 months, torrential slide generally has shown a developing pattern. Hence, we essentially believe that comparative pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period. As per particularly the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of torrential slide really has expanded from 4 months in a genuinely significant manner. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, or so they fundamentally thought. The coin is up by 26.16%, with the greatest especially normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $12.99, and the very least extremely normal cost of really was around $12.50 in kind of beyond 4 months. Torrential slide value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030. We anticipate future Avax cost expectations. Torrential slide figures by applying commonly profound counterfeit learning specialized examination on the authentic value information of torrential slide, which is genuinely huge. We generally give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Avax coin, which really incorporate exceptionally numerous elements like sort of past value, market cap, volume, and essentially more incredibly. In the event that you truly are hoping to put resources into digital currency market, make a point to peruse our forecasts. As a matter of fact, torrential slide value expectation for 2023 is per our gauge. In 2023, the cost of torrential slide really is supposed to reach at the very least value level of $16.71 in a fundamentally significant manner. The Avax cost can arrive at a truly greatest worth of $19 with the genuinely normal exchanging cost of $18.47, which basically is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value expectation for 2024 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of torrential slide is for the most part anticipated to by and large reach at the very least worth of $25.84 amazingly. The Avax cost can especially arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest degree of $31.50 with the very normal exchanging cost of $26.58, which is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value conjecture 2025 to 2026. The cost of torrential slide in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to reach at any rate level of $35.82 in 2025. The torrential slide cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $43.95 with the typical cost of $37.15 all through 2025. or so they generally thought. The cost of torrential slide generally is basically anticipated to reach at any rate level of $51.59 in 2026. The torrential slide cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $62.38, with the exceptionally normal cost of $53.45 all through 2026, which is very critical. Avax value expectation for 2027 torrential slide cost fundamentally is gauged to arrive at a practically the most reduced degree of $74.03 in 2027, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could generally arrive at a most extreme degree of $90.67, with the in every way that really mattered normal gauge cost of $76.17, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Avax value expectation for 2028 is per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Avax. In 2028, the cost of torrential slide truly is gauged to basically be at around an especially least worth of $107.63, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The torrential slide value worth can in a real sense arrive at a truly limit of $127.65, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $110.68 in USD. Torrential slide value expectation for 2029. The cost of one torrential slide is supposed to basically reach at a really least degree of $153.71 in 2029 in a sort of large manner. The Avax cost can essentially arrive at a by and large most extreme degree of $183.64, with the typical cost of $159.25 all through 2029, or so they truly thought. Torrential slide value expectation gauge for 2030 according to the conjecture and profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of torrential slide is supposed to reach at a very least value worth of $218.94, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The Avax cost can arrive at an especially most extreme value worth of $265.28, with the really normal worth of $226.90, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value expectation for 2031. The cost of torrential slide explicitly is supposed to explicitly reach at least worth of $314.25 in 2031 in an especially enormous manner. Torrential slide value expectation for 2032. Torrential slide cost is gauged to especially arrive at an actually the most reduced sort of conceivable degree of $466.03 in 2032, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could in every practical sense arrive at a most extreme really conceivable degree of $545.11, with the exceptionally normal conjecture cost of $478.96, or so they thought. What especially is the torrential slide cost today, or so they thought. Today, the cost of torrential slide generally is 17.59, with the market cap of $5,728,186,000.